trick I like to call the impossible. Basically what it is a rollover in each direction on your pinky finger. Starting with the forward direction, kind of catch it like that. I don't know if that's in frame. I'm going to do a little slow. Yeah, what I do is I hold the balisong like this. I kind of let it drop a little bit, just start it off, and I flick it over. It goes around this finger. It rotates, and you catch it, and you go back. It's basically just roll over, and back in the other direction. Like so. It's a fun trick. It's really awkward to do the pinky rollover in this direction, so that is the hardest part. At least I find. The one in this direction is a bit easier. But I'd practice them both separately, then kind of learn to put them together. Keep this out of the way too. You kind of cut yourself there if you're not careful, if not